Hello and welcome to our Make in India series with me, Simi Pasha. Every week we take you on a journey into one of the country's industrial sectors where we talk about its challenges and growth and share with you stories of the lives it has an impact on. Today's episode is dedicated to a sector on which about 65% of our population relies on for employment and livelihood. It's a sector that has the government's focus in its budget for 2016. We're talking about the agricultural sector. Second in farm and agricultural output, India's agricultural export forms about 10% of its overall exports. With an increasing focus on organic farming and sustainability, the demand for agricultural produce is on the rise.
You just find that per capita demand for food is also rising. Then our population is also growing, right now at about 1.1%. So if we add up these two sources of demand, growth in population and growth in demand on per capita basis, our estimates are that in India, the demand for food, demand for agriculture commodity will keep rising at a rate higher than 2.5% up to 2050.
In order to tackle a rapidly growing demand for agricultural produce, adopting modern technology is the pressing need of the hour.
Mechanization is going to be the key. If India has to survive and India has to have its import bill reduced, India has to increase the cultivation or production of food grains. And that can happen only through mechanization. And I think we are a major party to the mechanization.
With the ongoing climate change, India has already witnessed 2 severe seasons of drought, which has led to the industry crashing, food prices reducing, and the minimum support prices and cost of production going up. Being at the mercy of nature, the challenges and risks in the agriculture sector are at a constant high.
Agriculture right now is stuck. Of course, bad weather is also one of the factors, but one of the reasons why we are not able to move agriculture to next stage of development like other sectors is that we have not allowed private sector to play its due role which is needed at this stage.
With the government's Make in India program easing business processes, introducing a single window approach in dealing with investments and 100% FDI in some cases, private sector participation might be seen as a more viable possibility.
I think India offers an incredible depth of professional resources and professional workforce, well trained. So this program, combined with the depth of the resources that are available in India, provides a strong incentive for multinational companies to come and to contribute to the development of India. So I will say it's a very positive initiative which I hope it will continue to bring more multinational to the country. We are here since many years, and we are very happy to be here, and we are very happy to contribute to the growth of the country.
Today, India is the 4th largest producer of wheat, the largest exporter of rice worldwide, and the 2nd largest in tea production. Agriculture is the wealth of our nation, and conscious efforts towards investment and mechanization of this sector can help balance the scale of demand and supply. Agriculture is agreeably one of the oldest sectors, but evolution is a constant for every industry. As the age of the farmer gets visibly younger, the demand and use of modern farming technologies experience expansion. Addressing this very demand is New Holland Agriculture, a leading agricultural equipment brand recognized for its technological innovations worldwide. New Holland is a brand of CNH Industrial, a global player with uniquely diversified businesses in agricultural and construction equipment. In India, it operates in the agri-business sector through Case IH and New Holland Agriculture brands. New Holland Agriculture began its operations in India in 1998 with the launch of its first 70 HP tractor in the Indian market. Over the years, the company has been providing advanced and innovative farm mechanization solutions and accessible technology to farmers. These include advanced products like tractors, rakes, balers, rotivators, pneumatic planters, boom sprayers and mowers.
India as a country which has close to approximately 46 agroclimatic zones and 26 subsoils. Now, a product cannot be suitable for pan-India. And when you look at the types of soils, you have a sandy soil, you have a black cotton soil, you have loamy soil. So you need to have a range of products which can suit every need of a farmer. And that's why the portfolio is large, between 35 and 90, and we have literally close to 200 variants which takes care of every small aspect of the customer in the field.
Spread across 60 acres, the company's state-of-the-art manufacturing plant in Greater Noida is one of the most advanced plants in the country. Tractors manufactured at this plant are exported to over 60 countries.
We apply throughout the company worldwide the world-class manufacturing methodology. The plant has received already the recognition for world-class manufacturing bronze, and we are now under the development of the plant in order to bring it to silver level. It means that the plant follows all the principles of lean manufacturing, of safety, of good working environment for the employees.
The brand offers a technologically superior range of 35 to 90 horsepower tractors in India. It provides advanced solutions for the mechanization of agriculture, which enhance crop productivity.
Whenever a farmer looks at a tractor, he first looks at operating costs. Then he looks at its versatility. Then he looks at how exactly can he, how can the tractor be compatible with any other application? Because when he's not using for agricultural use, how can he use it for commercial use? These three things, which is fuel efficiency, productivity, versatility of the tractor, are the three things, are the unique features which we have brought to the table.
Amongst its innovative products, the four-wheel drive tractor is a technological breakthrough. It's fuel efficient, low maintenance and gives a higher output in lesser time.
फोर व्हील ड्राइव जो ट्रैक्टर है एक गियर में आगे पीछे जाता है, दिन भर दिक्कत नहीं होता। एक गियर में वो 8-10 घंटे चला सकता है काम करने के लिए। और टेक्नोलॉजी अच्छा है ना, इसलिए बिजनेस के पास जाता है हम खेती के लिए, उसके टाइम पास नहीं होता ना काम करने के लिए, इसलिए लोग बुलाते हैं ना। दूसरा कंपनी का ट्रैक्टर करता है वो टायर मेंटेनेंस ज़्यादा निकलता है, ये ट्रैक्टर स्लिप नहीं होता। उसका गन्ने का ट्रॉली 40-50 टन भी होगा तो सहज कार्य करने के फर्स्ट गियर पे लेके जा सकता है, कोई अड़चन नहीं, उसको दिक्कत नहीं हो।
India has about 625 districts, out of which 525 are tractorized. Today, New Holland is present in about 425 of these districts, but with tractorizing increasing, the company is set to reach out to more and more farmers by increasing its dealer base to close to 500.
पिछले 17 सालों में मैंने अंदाज 4,000 सेटिस्फाई कस्टमर मेरे साथ वर्किंग में। नोलन ट्रैक्टर एक प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट है, अपनी रेंज में सबसे अच्छा ट्रैक्टर प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट माना जाता है। ये इकोनॉमिकल है, इसके अंदर काफ़ी जो फीचर्स हैं काफ़ी अलग हैं जो दूसरे ट्रैक्टर में नहीं है, जैसे लिप्टोमेटिक है, पावर स्टीयरिंग है, काफ़ी फीचर्स हैं जो इसके बाकी दूसरे ब्रांड के किसी में मैच नहीं करते इस चीज़ के लिए। तो एक प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट है जो हम बेच पा रहे हैं इस बात के लिए।
New Holland is committed to constant engagement with its customers. Besides an efficient after-sales service, it also has a toll-free customer helpline number for addressing instant customer requests. New Holland Agriculture has a diversified range of farm mechanization equipment. Apart from traditional tractors that are finding applications on farms, we take a look at how two of them, the precision pneumatic planter and the baler, are becoming a farmer's most trusted ally on the field. for maize farmer Ashwinder Pal Singh from Jalandhar in Punjab, the pneumatic planter is a much-needed lifeline in his fields. Ashwinder Pal farms over 400 acres of land which he rotates with his produce.
मेरे पास 25 से 30 लोग परमानेंट काम करते हैं जी। अभी हमारे पास ऑलमोस्ट 13-14 ट्रैक्टर के आसपास वो न्यू हैंड के, उसके बाद जो इम्प्लीमेंट्स हैं एग्रीकल्चर के वो हैं। लास्ट ईयर हमने लिया था न्यूमेटिक प्लांटर, वो हमारे लिए बड़ी उपलब्धि है, हम मानते हैं उसको। क्योंकि देखिए हम उसके पहले जो मक्का लगाते थे वो हमारा जो रेजर होता है, रेजर के पीछे हम देसी तरीके से उसको मार्कर लगा देते थे राउंड बना के, और वो लगा देते थे और लेबर उसको एक एक बीज को लगाती थी। उसमें टाइम भी लगता था और उसमें एक्यूरेसी भी नहीं होती थी, क्योंकि देखिए लेबर पे डिपेंड है। तो उससे क्या होता था, हमारे एक तो सीड का प्रॉब्लम होता था। अगर जहाँ पे हमारे 2 पैकेट मक्की के लिए 2.5 भी लग जाते, 3 भी लग जाते थे। उसकी वजह से हमने फिर सोचा न्यू हॉलैंड का ये प्लांटर खरीदा, वो हमारे लिए बड़ी उपलब्धि है।
He invested in the pneumatic planter last year, and by doing this, he says his time and resources on the field have been utilized in a more efficient manner with much better yields.
मैंने इसको सिर्फ 1 दिन चलाया है, थोड़ा टाइम। मेरी तो लेबर चला रही ना, जो पढ़ना लिखना नहीं जानती, और ये आपको हैरानी होगी, और मेरे से ज़्यादा वो उसके मैकेनिक हैं। प्लांटर की वजह से हमें उसकी सेविंग हुई, लेबर की भी, टाइम की भी, और सबसे बड़ी जल की भी। इसलिए हमने इसको प्रेफर किया।
With a diversified portfolio of products, New Holland Agriculture is aiming to be a solution provider for different farmers with different field requirements in our country.
हमने सबसे पहले इसका डेमो लिया, खुद चलाया खेतों में, हर एंगल से इसको परखा। इसका ज़मीन आसमान का रिजल्ट था, और सबसे बड़ी सेविंग, लेबर की सेविंग बहुत बड़ी है हमारी। और नंबर ऑफ जो प्लांट्स है ना, एक्यूरेसी, एक तो हमें वो प्लांट टू प्लांट, रो टू रो, वो एक्यूरेसी हमारी हो गई। और नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स अगर हमारे खेत में बढ़ जाएंगे, ठीक है ना, तो नेचुरली हमारा यील्ड बढ़ जाएगा।
We've seen how New Holland Agriculture is helping increase productivity through an innovative range of products. After the break, we take a look at some more technological advancements made by the company and also focus on their social commitment. Welcome back. You're with me, Simi Pasha. Today we're looking at the agriculture sector and the technological advancements that the company New Holland Agriculture is bringing to it. While mechanization is the way forward for the agriculture sector in India, most often it's the environment that has to pay the price for development. How can long-term sustainability and recycling be a part of modern farms in India? We show you how. Most farm residue after the harvest goes up in flames, harming the environment with polluting gases and eroding the soil of their natural nutrients.
मैं ਜਦੋਂ ਖੇਤੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਗ ਤੋਂ ਬੜੀ ਅਲਰਜੀ ਸੀ। ਨਾਲੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਅੱਗ ਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਜੀ, ਫਿਰ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਤਲਬ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮਿੱਤਰ ਕੀੜੇ ਉਹ ਮਰ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਬਹਾਲ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਖਾਦ ਪਾਉਣੀ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਆ। ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ 2-3 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦਾ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਖੇਤ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਠਾਂ ਬਣਾ ਲਈਆਂ, ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਕਣਕ ਬੀਜਦੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ 10 ਮਣ ਕਣਕ ਵੱਧ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਜਿਹੜੇ ਖੇਤ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਗ ਲਾਉਣੇ ਆ, ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ 10 ਮਣ ਕਣਕ ਘੱਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ।
The baler machine from New Holland Agriculture is offering a two-pronged solution. A more efficient way of clearing farm residue and readily available biomass for power generation.
So New Holland as a brand is very focused on the sustainable, efficient technology. This is a key element of our vision to be a clean technology leader. In India, we establish the same practices. We do that through various biomass projects in India, where we take the straw and the stubble out of corn, maize, etc. to generate energy. We have all seen in the past few days or past few months the problem with the pollution in the NCR and Delhi region, which is caused by stubble burning. We have a solution not only to stop the pollution, but also to generate electricity and energy from such stubble.
गन्ना कट के जाता है तो उसके जो पत्ते रहते हैं उसका ये बेल बनाने का मशीन है। इससे बहुत ही बड़ा फ़ायदा होता है ये कि एज अ फ्यूल करके इंडस्ट्री में जाता है। जहाँ जहाँ बॉयलर है वहाँ ये एज अ फ्यूल करके यूज़ करते हैं। अभी बॉयलर के लिए लकड़ी जलाते हैं ना, उससे तो बहुत ही जंगल तोड़ हो रही है, उसकी वजह से बारिश नहीं हो रही है और ये आराम से मिल जाने वाला आइटम है। गन्ने का पत्ता है जो बहुत ही बड़े पैमाने में उपलब्ध है।
The baler is an employment generator on the fields as well, apart from reducing the carbon footprint on the environment.
ਅੱਜ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੇਖ ਕੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਲੋਕ ਸਾਡੇ ਏਰੀਏ 'ਚ ਬੈਲਰ ਆਏ ਆ ਤੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਤਲਬ ਬੈਲਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਾਣੀ 25-30 ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿੱਧੇ ਨਾ ਸਿੱਧੇ ਢੰਗ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਰੁਜ਼ਗਾਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਜੈਸੇ ਮੈਂ ਮੁਕਤਸਰ ਜ਼ਿਲ੍ਹੇ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ 10-15 ਬੈਲਰ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰਦੂਸ਼ਣ ਮੁਕਤ ਜ਼ਿਲ੍ਹਾ ਬਣਾਤਾ। ਐਂ ਹੀ ਪੂਰੇ ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੈਲਰ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ। ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹਰੀ ਕ੍ਰਾਂਤੀ ਆਈ ਸੀ, ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਕ੍ਰਾਂਤੀ ਆ ਸਕਦੀ ਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਅਸੀਂ ਪੂਰਾ ਸਾਲ ਇਹ ਮਸ਼ੀਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਪੂਰਾ ਸਾਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਸਾਈਡ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਮਿਲ ਸਕਦਾ।
It's a game-changing product which gives a new lease of life not just to farmers but to the soil as well. The story doesn't end here. The saga continues with a unique and advanced machine which is revolutionizing sugarcane harvesting in India. And it's not just the pneumatic planter and baler from New Holland, but another important farm equipment from the company's portfolio of products, which is the sugarcane harvester. Launched with a leap of faith, the company was the first to introduce a sugarcane harvester in India under its sister brand Case IH.
Today we are selling in India sugarcane harvesters. We are one of the leaders worldwide in that type of equipment, which provides an opportunity for sugar mill to make the collection of the sugarcane much more efficient, and ultimately also to increase the yield available from the sugar in the production for sugarcane in the production of sugar, because it reduces the time it takes to cut and bring it to the mills.
This versatile machine uses technological innovations to make the lives of farmers engaged in sugarcane plantation a little less onerous. And for Tanaji Sawant, who is the chairman of 4 sugar factories in Maharashtra, time and optimization of sugarcane harvesting are critical to determine his profits, which is becoming a distant dream until he discovered the sugarcane harvester delivered a more mechanized and efficient way of harvesting sugarcane.
Our daily crushing capacity is 15,000 TCD है, so we need fast harvesting से source. पहले हमारे पास हार्वेस्टिंग मशीन नहीं थे, तभी नियर अबाउट 25 करोड़ का लॉस हो गया कंपनी को, तो we have decided to purchase these machines.
The benefits of using the sugarcane harvester over the earlier manual labor process are many.
मशीन्स लाइट वेट है, जो कटिंग होता है गन्ने का वो अर्थ से ऐसा चिपक कर होता है। ड्यू टू दैट शुगर फैक्ट्री का जो रिकवरी है, रिकवरी बढ़ती है। और दूसरी बात तो डिपेंडेंसी कम होती है। गारंटेड जो डेली क्रशिंग होना चाहिए शुगर फैक्ट्री का, वो डेफिनेटली हो जाएगा, क्योंकि अपने मशीन्स रहते हैं, उनका ट्रांसपोर्ट अपने हाथ में ही होता है।
For a company that's working on revolutionizing the agriculture sector, it's a perfect fit that emphasis on development of the deprived rural population in India is given attention to as well. In their social commitment, New Holland Agriculture is seeking to turn around the lives of underprivileged children. Education is the way forward for shaping future leaders in India, and New Holland Agriculture, through its social commitment, is paving the way to do just that.
Well, at New Holland, we look to enrich the lives of all our stakeholders. We have established with the Smile Foundation Mission Education, which aims at providing free education for underprivileged children.
Around 200 students are a part of this project, and this project, which operates in shifts, is indeed a much needed lifeline for them.
So under this project, currently in the school, we have children between the ages of 4 and 14. It's operational about 6 days a week, and every Saturday we conduct an examination to assess the development of these children. Actually, recently we awarded 2 children for featuring in the merit list of the National Science Search, Talent Search Program, which we are very proud of. But apart from just studies, they also participate in extracurricular activities.
That's all from me on this edition of our Make in India series, but do stay tuned as we continue our exciting journey. Goodbye and thank you for watching.